Will artificial intelligence take our jobs? That's the question echoing through every game studio right now. We see AI generating concept art in seconds, writing code in minutes, tasks that once took us days. The anxiety is real, fueled by tech demos promising a creative revolution. But the answer isn't a simple yes or no. The game industry has always adapted. Think 2D to 3D, cartridges to downloads. Each shift brought disruption, but also new opportunities. AI is the next big wave and it will change how we work. The real question, what can AI do and what can't it? We'll break down what AI means for making games, how it's already used and where it might take us. We'll look at how AI helps small teams build bigger games and how it boosts efficiency for big studios. But we'll also talk about what's uniquely human storytelling, emotion, and the creative spark. This isn't about predicting the future, it's about understanding the tools and the people who use them. Some tasks will be automated. That's always been the story of technology, but does that mean the end of the game developer? Not at all. Let's see what the future might look like, starting with what AI is already doing in games today. When most people think of AI in games, they picture smarter enemies, soldiers flanking you, monsters reacting to sound. That's traditional game AI handcrafted scripts making worlds feel alive. But generative AI is different. It creates new things, art, code, even music, by learning from massive data. Tools like Midjourney generate concept art from text. AI can fill in animation frames or help programmers debug code. Level designers use AI to build landscapes, then add the human touch. So there are two AIs. One for behavior, one for creation. Generative AI is what sparks the job debate. It's not just making games run, it's helping make the game itself. Studios are already experimenting, automating parts of animation, code, and design. The AI builds the basics, humans refine and add meaning. Understanding this distinction is key to seeing where the industry is headed. One makes games more fun to play, the other changes how games are built. The biggest benefit of AI in game development? Speed. Creating a single 3D model can take weeks. AI can generate dozens of designs in minutes. Artists pick the best, refine them, and focus on what matters most. For small teams, AI is a force multiplier, helping them prototype, generate assets, and focus on gameplay. This could spark a wave of innovation, letting more people bring unique ideas to life. AI also unlocks new creative possibilities, dynamic worlds that adapt to players, stories, and quests generated in real time. Developers spend less time on repetitive tasks, more on polish and creativity. If AI handles the generic, humans make it special. The result? Games made more efficiently, with higher quality. The goal isn't to replace artists, but to give them a smarter brush. AI accelerates the process, but human creativity remains at the core. It's about working smarter, not just faster. For all its power, AI has limits. It's a master of patterns, but it doesn't understand meaning or emotion. AI can mimic Shakespeare, but it can't feel heartbreak or joy. Great games are more than assets, they're expressions of creativity and empathy. Human developers make deliberate choices, build tension, and create emotional connections. AI can generate a quest, but it can't design a journey that moves us. Artists set the mood, sound designers build atmosphere, level designers guide discovery. This is art, and art requires intention. AI provides raw material but not vision. Game development is deeply collaborative. Breakthroughs happen in messy human conversations. AI can execute commands, but it can't debate, brainstorm, or sense when a game just feels right. The magic comes from human intuition and passion. AI is a tool, not a creator. The soul of a game comes from people, not code. Will AI replace game developers? No, but it will transform the role. Developers will become creative directors, guiding AI and curating results. Artists will spend less time on repetitive tasks, more on vision and direction. Programmers will focus on complex systems and new ideas, not boilerplate code. The value shifts from technical execution to creative leadership. The most successful developers will work with AI, not against it. Some repetitive roles may shrink, but new opportunities will emerge. Training will focus on creativity, critical thinking, and design. Ethical questions like copyright and job displacement must be addressed. AI will democratize game creation, lower barriers, and free humans to dream and connect. The future is bright because the heart of game development will always be human.